All right, now you have decided what kind of company you will create, what the name of your company is, and a mission statement. Remember, a mission statement is a short statement of why an organization exists, what its overall goal is, identifying the goal of its operations, what kind of product or service it provides, its primary customers or market, and its geographical region of operation. So now you have those three important things. We are going to start to create our logo. So I want you to go into Schoology, and you're going to go down into the fourth marking period. There's an orange folder labeled Creating a Brand. We have now filled out this Building a Brand worksheet, and we watched what makes a great logo, and you should have already watched this color psychology video before you start making your logo. So you're going to go click Sketchpad. This is where we're going to create. I'm going to open this up. Now, I've already created a logo, but we're going to start from scratch. So I want you to click New. You can make this have a colored background, or you can make it transparent so that when you download the logo, it won't have anything in the background. So let's go transparent. Also, this is set up in pixels, but you can change this to inches if that makes more sense. I usually prefer a square, so maybe 8 by 8. And you're going to click this orange Create button. Now I've got my canvas. So just to review our tools here, we've got this pencil tool. If you click here, this is how you can draw your logo. You can build a logo using shapes. You can add some clip art. I don't recommend this one. In order to change the shapes here, you press this down button. We've got square, rectangle, burst, circle, and you can add text. So deciding what kind of font you want your company to have. You've got a wide variety of fonts here. So say you wanted to create a pictorial logo, meaning that you're going to have a picture in this. You don't have to design the whole logo by yourself. What you can do is you can, let's see where the button is. What you need to have a layer down first. So if I have a transparent background, that means I don't already have a layer. So I'm going to add an element here. I'm going to make a star. So you're going to click and drag. And you can use these things to turn and rotate. And I'm going to put this here. Now up here at the top right corner, there's this button that says Layers. If I want to add a picture, I'm going to click Select, and I'm going to upload. It's going to take you to either your Google Drive or a folder on your computer. I decided I'm going to make a running club logo. So I went and I found a graphic, and I'm going to click. I found a graphic, a shoe graphic. I'm going to click and I'm going to open it up. So now I have a layer here. If I click, I have two layers. I have a clip art. This comes off as clip art, and I have a star. So since I downloaded this picture, it already has a white background. That's kind of what happens when you take things from the internet and don't build them yourself, which is okay. I'm going to click this select up here, and that moves. And maybe I want to click this options button, and you can either send it to the front or send it to the back. So say I want to send it to the front. I'm going to resize. If I want to change this, I'm going to click the Styles button. So say I don't want an outline, I can do this at 0. I can change my fill color to any color here. So I want my colors to be green. You can also make it a pattern, but remember that patterns don't always show up best on logos. So I'm going to make it green. And I'm also going to copy, or I've duplicated it, I'm sorry. I want 3 of them. So now I've got this big, ugly, transparent background back here. I can crop and resize my whole picture. So I just want to highlight just this graphic. I'm going to click this one. And let's add... I don't have a plan. You should have a plan in place before you really start doing something. I'm going to make a box. Let's fill this with white. Maybe you want it to be white, but you want to be sort of see-through. You can change this down to 50% maybe. I'm going to keep it full. You can start to play around with all kinds of elements, fonts, backgrounds. The first logo you create will not be your best one. So you'll probably want to create a bunch of them. So I want to change my style here. I want to change my font. I like this kind of military looking font. Personally, I don't think this is a very appealing logo, but for our practice, I'm just going to download it as a trial and see how it goes. So here's what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Export, Download as a JPEG. So I've tried second try, third try. This is going to be my 4th try. Club. I'm going to save this. Make sure this says JPEG image. Save. So when I open this up, I have an image. Now I don't think this is my best one. tried a couple different ones. So I've got my first try. Didn't like that one. I've got my second try. And I've got third try. I like this one because it took out the background. And then I have my fourth try. Remember to keep your logo simple. And try a bunch of things. Your first one will not be the best one. Ask for advice, ask for feedback, ask friends what they think about it. Think about if you were to group all of this together and to resize it. How will it look small? How will it look big? And have fun with it.